Dun, 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 dun.
Mario Kart!
Fuck up!
Oh, dude, white girls love this beat so much.
You're a white boy.
Stop.
Okay, you know
You're
what? I've really had enough of you, okay? Okay, you bullied me. You're a fucking jerk. You're so mean. I'll put you in the dirt. You're worthless. You ain't got no worth. My feelings hurt. I'm really stressed. Little kids coming at my neck. Little did they know that I'm the pictures of his mommy's breasts like damn. Yeah, she's my fan. She knows that I'm the man. Yeah, you little old kid. So I can guarantee you run like Tekashi 6ix9ine in real life. You said bench, you play no sports, you were overweight, you go to the doctors, are like, damn, you broke the scale.
Oh my god!
Mario Kart!
Obesity, bro, I can literally hear the obesity through your microphone, dog.
I play Mario Kart.
I just want to like put your head into a toilet bowl and just drown you, dude. I swear to God.
Bro, I just want to wring this little kid's neck so bad, bro.
This dude. I guarantee you sleep in a cage on a little freaking newspaper in the corner of your house. You're not even a child, bro. They treat you like a pet. They're like, damn, dog going retarded again. You know a picture of the dog licking the window and it's like, my dog retarded. That's literally this kid.
Like,
That she raped her own mom.
Motherfucker Discord.
Don't listen. Mario Kart 4.
Stop!
We get an admin in here, please.
did that we beat again, Eli? Did that we beat again?
Can somebody whip out some satanic ritual and revive Leafy to end this kid, dude? I swear to God. This dude is for...
The cringiest kid on Discord ever.
Cornish, yeah, I don't care.
I haven't recorded it. Oh! Oh!
Mario Kart.
I can guarantee this kid watches Jake Paul. He sounds like Walmart. Dude, shut up. Your mom shops in clearance, bro.
Yo,
He
Walmart.
fucking jacks off to Jake Paul.
I swear to God, dude.
Like Jake Paul, you like?
He's